Reafe, I can't push your car.
How are we gonna get on the roof?
How much does the car weigh?
Not even that much.
Baby, go! Look, you hear it?
Some of you guys out there don't know nothing about cars. Now this happens, and this is the case with my relationship. My girlfriend, Kristen, knows nothing about cars. Which means today is a brilliant idea. When Kristen's car breaks down, when Kristen needs an oil change, when she needs her tire changed, when she needs anything goes wrong with her car, who does she call? Mr. Get It Done. But today, baby girl, you're gonna be helping me out fix my car. Because it's gonna break down. And I'm gonna need you to push the car. Yes. Yes. Yes.
What if I put a ring on you? What if I put a ring on you? Right now, don't let me wait for you. You know that my love is true. Something about the way you move, I wanna escape with you. The way that you touching my body, I know it, I know it. You making me wanna get down on one knee and propose it. So I told her right now, we should go ahead and get married right now.
So basically, I drive a manual car, and sometimes you can get your car started by doing a kickstart. Alright? Only manual drivers will understand what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna tell Kristen that my car broke down, and I need you to push it to give me that kickstart. Really and truly, my car is not gonna break down. I'm just gonna have her outside, literally pushing the car. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be hilarious. It's gonna be so funny because she's gonna be so mad. So we're supposed to be vlogging today because we're supposed to be showing you guys, you know, getting our tree, getting decorations and all that stuff because Vlogmas is coming really quick. So listen, if you guys are ready for this video, you already know what to do. Y'all gotta smash the like button right now. Hit the subscribe button right now. Turn your post notifications so you don't miss another upload. Most importantly, make sure you check our page every single day because YouTube like to send out the notifications late. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram, follow baby girl on Instagram. Let's get this video to 20,000 likes. 20,000 likes, and I'll drop another banger tomorrow. You know the vibes already. Let's get straight into this video.
Please like the video.
Yo!
Cody got me sipping.
What do you call that?
That's not funny. We're gonna take that out.
What do you call that? You already know what it is. It's your favorite couple. We here, live and direct.
Sing this with me. It's beginning
To look a lot like Christmas.
Okay, now wait. Now you do the girl's voice.
Everywhere we go.
Okay, we're trying it again, but now you do the girl's voice and I do the guy's voice.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere we go. You know the vibe.
I know you want to talk, but I'm too excited because we're going to pick up our Christmas tree.
You know the vibe. Here, hold the camera. I gotta get my jacket.
He tells me to hold the camera because low-key his hand's hurting. When you hold the camera for too long, that ish be hurting. Let me tell you that. But guys, we're going to pick up our Christmas tree today. I am so excited. We're going to take you guys along with us, show you the whole experience. We're going to do a green tree, right?
We're gonna do a green tree, you know the vibes.
Except if I see a really cute white one.
I look like a Puff Daddy from back in the days in one of the videos.
You do. Get it?
Don't leave your girl around me. I'm true player for real. That's not even Puff Daddy.
No, it's not.
That's Usher. Situation.
Will arise in your eyes, but you gotta be smart about it tonight. Why are we singing and dancing? It doesn't even make sense. Okay, guys.
I love you. You my girl. We're getting ready to head out, y'all. We're gonna get this nice green Christmas tree. We're super excited for our first ever Vlogmas.
Okay, so we're on the road.
On the road.
On the road.
Carnival.
Right? We couldn't do carnival this year in Toronto because obviously Corona.
Right.
You know?
Corona.
But we can do Vlogmas.
Right.
which we are excited about. So guys, let us know what you want to see for Vlogmas, because like, do you want to see baking videos, like Christmas cookies or something like that?
We definitely need to do some Christmas cookies.
Right.
That'd be lit.
But low-key, I still want to do the pranks because I'm prank queen.
Remember last year when I got you like a bunch of stuff from the dollar store?
Okay, that was so rude. I forgot about that. You know what? That traumatized me.
I got her so many gifts from the dollar store. Yo, that was so funny.
I swear one of the gifts was like a bar of soap.
A bar of soap.
I was like, what the hell is this?
Mac and cheese.
Yeah, he bought me KD. Like, really? This year, I hope the gifts are a bit better.
Yeah.
I don't know. But
Maybe.
if you try to prank me like that ever again, I'll be so pissed off.
Yeah. The tree has to have a star on top. You know we gotta put the star on top of the tree. You know that.
What does the star symbolize, babe?
Love.
Oh.
That love. I don't know. What does it symbolize?
I thought you were gonna say it symbolizes me, but I'll take love. I mean, that's fine.
What do you?
What do you? Okay, don't choose
No
me.
way you're that part.
Shut up! Guys, my arm is literally hurting. I gotta prop up this camera, so give me a second, okay? So let us know how you guys celebrate Christmas. Do you open gifts on Christmas Eve on the 24th? Or do you open them on the 25th?
I used to open one gift back in the day on the 24th, but you open all your gifts early.
No, I open all my gifts on the actual 25th.
Oh.
You know what I used to love? The chocolate calendars, the countdown of the days, and
that used to be so lit.
every day that passed, you would eat a chocolate for that specific day, and it was like symbolizing one more day closer to Christmas.
I used to love that shit too. Yeah, I used to love that. I used to love the white chocolate though.
Oh, the white chocolate. Yeah. See, I don't even like dark chocolate, but I ate the dark chocolate because it was in the calendar and it made me so excited. You know what I mean?
Right.
And like, I would just get so excited. I would just get so excited every time my mom would put all those calendars, because I don't know, for some reason that chocolate tasted lit. I was like, yeah, this is it, Mom. And then, what is wrong with your car?
I don't know why it's doing that. It's like, it's acting weird.
One time that happened to my sister on the highway, and then her wheel started going crazy. I'm legit scared.
Huh?
I'm scared.
Should be okay.
Are you sure?
Should be okay.
Okay, but don't drive fast.
I'm not. I'm just trying to make sure everything is good to go.
Okay, you're sure?
Yeah. Anyways, what were you saying then?
Okay, so I was saying my mom would set out the chocolate calendars, and I'd be so excited. Me and my sisters would set out like milk and carrots for Santa to come in the morning. And we believed in Santa for so. Okay, stop the car. What's wrong with it?
I think it's what the hell? It's not working.
What does that mean? Is 15% good?
That's my oil life. I should have changed my oil. Uh-oh.
So the oil's bad.
Yeah.
So it's gonna ruin the engine.
No. Let me see.
So then what is it? And why is that flashing? What does that say? Battery. The battery.
The battery's dead. Battery's dying.
So then what's that? The red thing?
No, that's just
and
my.
it says cruise main.
That's the cruise control. That's off. It's my seatbelt's off. See the service sign there?
The orange? Shit. So what are we supposed to do?
It's my phone. I gotta call the mechanic.
And are you out of gas?
No, I have gas.
Is the car on or off?
I think it's on. No, it's on. It's not in. It's not moving though. I'm gonna try to move it.
Is there like
try to
a
move it.
gas station?
I'm gonna try to move it. Damn. See? Shit. Okay.
Oh, you know what to do.
Yeah.
Just
hold
need to
on.
change your. Oh. oil.
Yeah,
But how we get to the oil change?
Exactly. Hold on. I'm a mechanic. I gotta call a mechanic. Okay. You know what?
Do you have your mechanic's number in your phone?
Let me check.
Shut the door.
Okay. You know what? We can kickstart it.
There's cars coming.
I know.
How do you kickstart it? With those 2 cords.
No, I can. If you push it, I can do a kickstart.
If I push it?
Yeah, if you go and push it, I can do a kickstart. Like, I can get the car started. All you have to do is push it, though.
But how am I supposed to push it if the car's off? It's not gonna...
No, I'm gonna put it in neutral because the car can move in neutral. And I put the gear down, the car can move.
Reafe, I can't push your car.
You have? How are we gonna get on the road?
How much does the car weigh?
Not even that much.
Reafe, if a car can run over somebody and hurt them, it must weigh a lot.
Baby, listen. I'm just going to put this car in neutral. You're gonna push the car, okay? And we're gonna get it moving. Because as soon as you do that, I'm gonna put it in first gear and we're gonna get the car moving. Okay?
I mean, but there's cars coming.
Okay, we'll wait till there's no cars.
There's never gonna be no cars.
The cars are not gonna come all the time. We'll make sure there's no cars.
So you want me to? Why can't you push the car?
Can you drive manual?
I'll figure it out.
You gotta step on the clutch and put it in first gear while I push the car, get it moving, and then kick start it. And then
I can't push your car.
Yes, you can.
I swear I can't. I swear I can't.
Baby, come on, we gotta get going. What do you mean?
I understand that, but I'm not good at this. Like, I can't make it work. If I push it, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere.
Are you gonna ride for the team or not? Are you gonna ride for the team or not? I need you to push the car so that I can get it started. Or
push the car with what? My bare hands or like a blanket? Do you have a blanket?
I don't have a blanket. I might have gloves in the.
I don't want to ruin the clothes.
I might have gloves in the trunk. I might have gloves in the trunk.
Turn this off.
Alright, y'all. Listen, I'm gonna put this dial down so she doesn't know that this is running. But she's in the back right now trying to get gloves or whatever. She's not gonna find nothing. She ain't gonna find nothing. And I'm gonna be recording on my phone. Oh shoot, she's coming right now.
There's no gloves, there's no blankets, nothing.
There's nothing? Okay,
no.
Listen, all you're gonna do is rock the car. And I'm gonna put down my e-brake.
What do you mean rock? Like
just try to push it to rock it, and then I'm gonna wind this window down, and then I'm gonna try to put it in gear and get the car running. All right. We got this.
Are you gonna call somebody?
Yes, I'm gonna call my mechanic right now.
Cause what if we're not doing it right?
I got it. I know how to kickstart the car. I know how to do it. Just push.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna do it.
Do I push like hard? Well, obviously,
baby,
try to get it to
push the car. Just push the car. Let me kickstart it. That's all you gotta do. Just keep pushing. I'm gonna tell you what's going on when I wind down the window.
All right.
All right.
That lady lost her dog.
She lost her dog?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I feel so bad. But at first I was scared. I was like, is she trying to like take us away?
Okay, let's go, because I don't want to be stuck here, okay? Push the car. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna start filming on this. Push! Alright. Push!
Push?
Yeah, push. You're pushing?
Yeah, I'm pushing.
Push harder, baby. You gotta push harder.
Why are you filming?
The mechanic told me to film what's going on. What's going on back there?
I don't know
Tell me what you see.
Huh?
Tell me what you see. Push it, baby.
Is it moving?
Yeah, keep rocking. Keep rocking. It's almost done.
I can't do it.
I'm trying to start. It's trying to start. Push. Push.
It's not working, Reafe.
Keep pushing.
Can you just tell the mechanic what's happening?
He said to rock it. He said to rock it.
Okay, let me talk to him. Hi, Mr. Mechanic.
I'm trying to push the car and it's not working.
He needs some milk. He said lean forward and push it in.
Lean forward?
Yeah, lean forward and push it in.
What do you mean lean forward?
Lean forward and push it in with your foot.
Okay.
While I try to start it.
Okay, go. Go,
It's
go,
almost
go,
starting.
Go, push
Keep
it, push
pushing.
it.
Harder, harder, harder. Keep.
I'm
Baby, go.
pushing
Go.
it.
Look, you hear it?
It's not working.
Ooh. It's on. It's on.
Is it working? Is it
Yeah,
working?
yes.
Okay.
We got it to work. What's his name?
John.
John?
Get in the car, get in the car, get in the car.
So how do you, is it gonna move?
Yeah. Yo!
Yo, I did that.
You did
I
that.
did that. What you talking about, Willis? I feel so bad for that lady and her dog, though.
I know. Oh my days.
I was pushing. I'm like, yo, this is not gonna work. So he said we did it right? Like, what did he, I don't understand. You just had to.
Because when you rocked it, when you pushed it to rock,
Yeah.
all I needed to do was just some force so that I can put it in gear and get it to start.
So what was wrong with it in the first place?
It just, I don't know, it just shut
Is it
down.
happening again? Why is it doing that?
I don't know, maybe it's happening again.
No.
I think you might have to,
Do it again?
hold on.
But it doesn't look like anything is wrong. Okay.
Oh shit.
Okay, let's go.
I think you have to push it one more time, baby. Just do that again. It's almost started.
Just now, by itself. Go ahead.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna put all the strength now. Reafe, it's moving back.
It's moving?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, push. It's in neutral, that's why.
Okay,
Go.
Go.
Harder.
Go.
Push it.
Go. Come on. You can do it. We can do it. We can do it.
You got it.
Thank you for your help.
And we got it to work. Hopefully it doesn't happen again.
We got it.
Okay.
We got it. Let me send it to. We got it.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Oh my god, look at my pants.
Oh shoot.
I'm like dirty as hell. I don't want to wipe my face because I was touching the car, but like,
We got it. Alright.
yo, that was like a
You're
workout.
lit.
But yo, I feel like I could conquer the world. You know, there's nothing left in here.
That's crazy. Oh my god. I can't believe you did that. You got it, baby.
What if it happens again though?
Nah, I think we're good. I think we're good now.
How do you know?
I think we're good.
2 times the charm. Didn't have to do it 3 times.
Nah, you got it, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's what I'm telling you. I needed you to rock it with your strength. You got it. That's what I'm saying.
I was being strategic with it.
Yeah, the way when you pushed it and then you went then it was starting.
Well, it's because I was rocking like a little bit soft just to see what the car can take.
Right.
If that makes sense.
Right.
And then as soon as I realized it wasn't moving, I had to put a little bit more strength. And then I put all my strength, so just to see what the car was saying, you know?
I'm dead, because the funny thing is,
I'm so dirty.
You're dirty, eh? You need to clean up.
Oh my god, can't vlog like this.
Nah, but we gotta start it, because we gotta get the tree.
Yeah.
But the crazy thing is, baby, like, I didn't even need you to do that.
Why he said you could do something else?
No, I didn't need you to do it because the car was fine the whole time. I just literally wanted you to get out and push the car. Don't kill me. The car's been working. The car's been working the whole time.
Let me out. No, let me out. It's fine. I'm getting out. This is running, isn't it?
The camera's running. I put the dial down.
No, don't touch me. Wipe off my pants as a matter of fact.
Yeah.
No. You got me hot.
I made you get out there 2 times.
Listen, it was cold out there. So the whole time. Wow.
I was pressing the car, making it start, turning it
No,
off.
you had me pushing the car when the car wasn't even running, so it wasn't gonna go nowhere.
Then I turned it on, turned it off.
That's not funny. Reafe!
I'm dead. That is so funny.
That is not funny at all, actually.
That is so funny.
So when you were filming for the mechanic, who were you filming for?
For the vlog. So they can see you pushing the car. Oh no! So funny. You're like, you're doing it! Yes! Boy, yes!
Guys, I'm so embarrassed right now.
I'm
so embarrassed.
How
First
you
of all,
feel?
there was a lady out there. Did you get that on camera?
Yeah, she's looking for her dog.
She was looking for a dog. I was scared. I was like, wait, is she trying to kidnap me? Because you know how, yo, I've been watching a lot of Forensic Files. Just know that really goes down. I feel really bad for her, but at the same time, like, you made me push a car that was fine.
I know. I had to.
Nah, now this is motivating me to want to know more about cars. Because if that happens to me,
Team R, let's go!
guys, the funny part is I was so excited to help. Like when the car started moving, I was like, yes, like I know everything about cars. This is my life calling.
Yeah, right. At first you were like, you go out there and push it. And I'm like, it's manual, girl.
Did I say that?
Yeah, you're like, you go do it. Why would I do it?
Yeah, because like I don't got the strength that you got. And then there I am pushing it, and I think it's working.
You did it.
Shut up.
Little do you know you didn't do nothing.
I didn't do shit.
Oh my god.
Listen, guys, but at least I helped. I tried. I took one for the team.
You did. You ride or die still.
That's what I'm saying. So, I mean, if you're Team K, because Team K got the strength, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your post notification.
You already know what it is.
Don't go to Team R because
Team R is lit, bro. You was out there pushing a car that was working. Does it have gas? Do we have gas?
I was trying to think of everything that could possibly be wrong with the car, but low-key, I didn't know the terminology. So I was just talking of stupidness.
And there was no mechanic. This girl thought I was on FaceTime with the mechanic. Show him what's going on back there.
Anyways, guys, I can't take the embarrassment anymore, so we're going to pick up our tree now. Hopefully the car doesn't break down again.
It won't.
And we'll catch you there.
We'll catch you there.
I'm so pissed.
You already know what it is.
Oh my god, I can't.
We should go ahead and get married. We should go ahead and get married. I don't wanna put a rush on you. Hope I ain't putting too much on you. Way more than a crush on you. And you love it when I touch on you. You often wine, take time, but